Bridget with Keel Custom Homes, here to do the heavy lifting of making design choices that I believe are on trend and will be enjoyed for decades to come. Let's go inside and look at some features that you might want to consider for your next new home build.
Building a new home can be a daunting task, but Keel Custom Homes is here to help. When you purchase a professionally designed spec home like this Bon Air in Maple Grove, you can put all the heavy decision making aside and let our interior design team do all the work for you, creating a turnkey, move-in ready home.
Walking in, we have a grand foyer that opens up into the main living space. This type of open floor plan is a must-have for families these days, but it's still important to have some separation of spaces.
These 9-foot ceilings come standard on all of our floor plans. Investing in 8-foot doors and cased openings can help accentuate the depth of the space as well. Sliding glass doors can also be a great feature to bring the light in and keep the weather out.
In a large open space like this, I always feel like it's important to have a lot of natural light and focal points to relax your attention to. In your living room, investing in a stately bookshelf creates storage and a space for decor and memorabilia to be on display, here around a television. I love that this piece grounds the space and encourages a family to put up photos and personal items while giving the room some character and visual interest. In this kitchen, we kept a simple color palette, but created a focal point with this range hood and these dark colored kitchen cabinets. With the kitchen being the center of attention in this room, the wood tone on the range hood blends seamlessly with the floors, but pops out against the white cabinets and walls.
From a resale perspective, we always talk about how important kitchens and bathrooms are, and I love what you've done with this kitchen. Should we go check out the primary bathroom?
Let's do it. Our favorite part about this plan is the first floor primary bedroom. We love that it provides some privacy, and personally, I want to be close to the kitchen for those late night snacks. But this bathroom is something to behold. The sleek marble shower floor, the white color palette, and contrasting dark gray cabinets make this a retreat I couldn't wait to decorate with some soft color and decor. White and nickel finishes look great here because they're clean, are easy to clean, and they never age.
Building on your own lot allows you to design the home of your dreams, and our professional team is here on standby, ready to guide you through the process. With Keel Custom Homes, you can trust that whether you're buying a spec home or building a custom home, it's built with care, precision, and thoughtful design.
You will collaborate with me early in the home building process to ensure every detail comes together to capture your vision.